Last class we were discussing about the advanced Java database connectivity API, Jdbc, and we just started the connection, how to get the connections, how to connect the database, and we were not done it. In today's class, we'll discuss about some of the related concepts related to DBMS, RDBMS, and how to connect Jdbc and statement and prepare statement and callback statement. Okay. Yeah. First, we'll take what is DBMS? DBMS is used to store somebody mute, Sugana mute. Pavani join late. DBMS is used to store process and manage data in systematic way. Data in systematic way.
Use it to store data in systematic way.
Use it to store, process and manage data in systematic way. DBMS may use a variety of storage methods including relational, multidimensional, and network. There is a concept called as RDBMS. The RDBMS stands for it is a type of DBMS in which the data is organized and accessed according to the relationship between RDBMS is type of database DBMS in which the data is organized and accessed according to the relationships between data values. What is SQL? SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is a syntax for defining and manipulating data from relational databases. In RDBMS, the data is, next point, in RDBMS, the data is represented using tables. What is a table, Rohit?
Which has rows and columns.
Yeah. A table is uniquely identified by its name. And consists of rows that contains is the stored information and each row containing exactly one record. This is called a table. You should not tell answer like this. There is one more student called as her name is Dharani. So she is my relative. Dharani, can you introduce yourself to the team?
Hello. Yeah, I'm Dharani. Hello. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, we are here. We are able to hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, is anybody in the class?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
There
Hi,
is one-
Jeremy.
Hi. I'm from Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh.
Hi there. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah.
Okay. Hi, Dharani. Today's class we are discussing about advanced Java and database
Okay.
concept, Jdbc concept. So
Okay. Yeah.
we'll talk about later. So you are comfortable, right? You are well with our core Java, everything, right?
Yeah, I'm comfortable with core Java. In advanced Java also, I'm comfortable with Jdbc and servlets. I don't have an idea about JSP. I don't know some concepts about JSP.
Okay. We'll discuss offline.
Okay.
Yeah. Now, last class we tried to see about how to connect to database, right? I created a project called test project, and I set the jar file for the I set the jar file in the project, right? And here test class, I wrote a class called as test connectivity. I have a main method. In the class data per name, what class data per name will do? Dharani, can you put mute?
Yeah.
Found you too. What is class dot per name? Pavani? Suguna?
Class is a final class
Suguna.
in Java.
Pavani?
Okay.
Your time up.
Okay.
Suguna? Suguna, Rohit,
Yeah.
what is class dot for name? Piyush, what is class dot for name?
Like it is loading the driver basically,
Okay. What is driver?
the Oracle Jdbc driver which we might use for connecting with the Oracle database.
Okay. Oh, what is the for name here? What is class? What is for name? For name is a method, right? In the class is a class in Java.
Yes.
For name is a method. By using, there are two ways we can load the Java classes. One is static way, one is dynamic way. This is the way called as dynamic way. Okay. Pavani, can you tell me your answer?
Chaitanya?
Yeah, you tell me your answer now.
Yeah, it is used for loading the class.
Okay.
Here basically we are trying to load the driver.
Okay. Why we need to load the driver?
We need to in order to get connected with the database, we have to load the driver first.
Yeah. Which driver? Not car driver, bus driver. Which driver?
Oracle driver.
Excellent. Yeah. Okay. So after getting the driver, what is use of driver? Why we need driver? We cannot load the class directly. Where is Oracle
No.
driver? What is Oracle driver here?
Oracle driver.
Yeah, go ahead. What is Oracle driver? Oracle driver is a class file.
Class file implementing interfaces.
We'll see what is Oracle driver basically. What is Oracle driver? Public class extends oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver, right? So where this package available here?
The Oracle JDBC driver class.
Yes. So there is a class which is available in Oracle driver. In the Oracle driver, we have a class with the package of oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver. So I'm able to load the class. This is the way of calling as a static way, dynamic way. By using for name method, I can load the classes dynamically. So based on the class of for name method, I'm going to load the driver which is related to our Oracle driver, because driver is nothing but there is one jar file is provided by any of the vendors, any of the database servers. They provide a jar file. Based on the jar file, I'm going to get the connection. And last class we'll discuss about different jar files are available for the different databases. For example, Oracle jar file, Oracle driver, Oracle database. We have Jdbc 1400 jar file. Even MySQL database. We have MySQL connector jar file. Right, Sugana?
Yes.
Yes. You guys has to read
Yes,
the notes. Without reading notes, no need to come for the class. You can go for different trainer. Okay. So I'm going to load the driver here, and last we got the driver, and unfortunately we could not get the connection because we don't have system is installed. We don't have database installed in my laptop, so I installed today, so it will work now. So there is a connection is an interface. Okay, what is the driver manager? Driver manager. What is driver manager? It's a class or interface?
Class.
Okay, you have only two options: class or interface. Class. Okay, what is the method? What is get connection method will do?
It will be trying to get connected with the database using the URL and the username and password.
And what it throws? It will throw the exception, right?
SQL exception.
Yeah. Okay. If you're trying to call the same method here, so whether we have to handle exception or we have to throw the exception, right?
Yeah.
That's not
You have to handle it by try catch block.
Yeah. I don't want to handle. Then what I have to do?
You have to declare it as throws exception.
Excellent. Who is this?
Ravani.
Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to get the connection from the database. We'll see. Right click here. Run the application. Java application. Got the connection. Load the driver. Okay. Rohit, you are not attended any connection catchable the exception classes. So did you get a chance to go through from the the websites?
No, actually, I haven't gone through anything.
Why? What happened? Exception is very important concept, man. Please concentrate on exceptions.
Yeah, I will go through it today.
What is this connection equal to driver manager get connection method I'm using? I'm creating the connection interface here, connection interface object here.
Yes.
Then what I'm doing here? We can create object for connection interface.
Yeah, we have to create.
No, we can create object for interface.
Yeah, we have to create.
Okay. Can someone tell me answer? We can create an object for interface.
We cannot create an object for the interface.
Okay. Then how we are going to access it here? We are just
By creating a reference, we can create object.
Driver manager is the class where internally it will implement the connection interface. So this is the inheritance concept here. Connection equal to driver manager get connection method. Get connection method return type is connection interface. So here this com is just a reference variable. Yeah. Please write a question. When connection is interface, how you are able to create connection object? When the connection is interface, how you are able to create the connection object? Answer. Very important question. We cannot create a connection object by providing the connection. Cannot create connection object by providing the like this. Okay. When driver manager dot get connection method is called, when driver manager at get connection method is called, please take here. When driver manager at get connection method is called, it internally calls connect method provided by Jdbc driver vendor. This code tries to call to the database after connecting this code. It creates an object using a class. It creates an object using a class that provides the implementation of java.sql.connection. Every Jdbc vendor provides a static block in the driver class. The code in the static blocks takes care of registering the driver. I can use, there are some other way where I can register the driver. So here,
J2ee, could you please repeat?
I will repeat it. Anyway, videos will upload, right?
Okay.
Driver manager. How to call the static methods? Suguna?
Okay.
Rohit? Rohit, how to call the static methods?
Yes. Using static keyword.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yes.
Have you done examples, assignments?
For the static methods?
Yes.
Yeah, I think.
How to call the static methods instance method in Java? Static way, I told something, I think you might have remembered now at least. Static way. What is the meaning of static way?
Using the class name?
Pavani, you're not Rohit, right?
I didn't knew that.
Sorry for that. You're not Rohit. Please. There is a concept in Java. Static methods can be loaded in static way. Instance method will be loaded by instance way. Instance way means we'll create the object. Without creating object, we cannot access all the methods in all the instance method in Java. Whereas static methods, we can use static way. That means by using class name dot, all the methods we're able to see that these all methods are static methods. Okay? Clear, Rohit? Rohit?
Yeah. Yes.
So I'm going to here register driver method. I have a driver class already. Driver also interface here. Driver equal to, what is the meaning of driver, Suguna? Suguna.
Driver.
Pavani?
Yes.
What is the meaning of driver?
driver. It's a Oracle Jdbc driver.
Yeah. What is the meaning of driver? Means what each and every database they have their own drivers. Okay.
Instead of jar files.
Excellent. This is for so now driver is interface. The implementation class for driver is Oracle driver. I am loading the driver object here. Driver instance variable. So that instance I am passing to the register driver method, which has a static manager in the driver manager class. So this is the way also we can load the drivers, and this is the way also we can load the drivers. Which is the easiest one?
First one.
First one.
Why?
Second one is too complicated.
Okay. Okay. Please take this line. Every Jdbc driver vendor provides a static block in the driver class. The code in the static block will take care of registering the driver.
So here driver is a class or interface?
Who is this?
Suguna?
Okay.
It's an interface.
Okay.
What is interface? How you identify the interface of Java class? If you see here, if you point on top of the class, what symbol you are getting here?
Yeah. C.
C stands for?
Class.
Class.
It's a brand name. What is I here?
Interface.
I stands for?
Interface.
Excellent. So now tell me, what is driver?
Driver is an interface.
What is here? Oracle? O?
Class.
Yeah, class.
How you identify?
C
Where?
on the top. Connect.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, C. Yeah.
O and C are there. What is the meaning of O and C?
Oh, oh.
Here
Let's
system
find
is
out
the
that.
class.
Yeah. Now. Okay.
Okay.
Chaitanya, we can't hear you.
Speaking anything? Statement in Java. There are three different statements are available in Java. What is the meaning of statement? It executes the code in sequence way. There are three different statements available. One is called statement, prepared statement, callable statement. Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. So we'll see all statement here. What is statement?
Statement which executes the code in a sequence way.
Interface?
Here it's interface.
Here, tell me. Statement is interface, right?
Yes.
Yeah, please take this.
What is auto-closable?
Just take it. I will tell later. Or take assignment. What is auto closable? Interview question. Okay. Now here. I'm going to copy paste from all the methods because I'm going to reuse this one, right? I can do one more thing. I can make inheritance here concept. I can use it. We'll see tomorrow's class how to make inheritance concept. Okay. Now here. I'm going to create an instance variable for the statement. Statement equal to. We'll see from connection is there any methods are there in the connection or not. Connection dot create
Statement.
statement which has one parameter or zero parameter. So this connection dot create statement method. What is the written type of the connection dot create statement? What is this create statement method where it is available?
It is
In statement.
The statement method is a statement connection dot create statement method is available in interface. If you see here, there is a method called as create statement. What is the written type for the create statement method?
Statement.
Yeah. So now tell me where is create statement method available in Java?
In connection interface.
So what is the written type for this?
Statement.
statement.
So I wrote here statement. Okay. Now statement dot, we'll see what are the methods are there here. Statement dot execute update. So there are four methods. I'm going to use first method which has
String SQL, string SQL.
string parameter.
Yeah.
So let me create one string parameter here. String variable string SQL equal to. Can you help? Someone help. I want to create a table.
Create table.
Who is this?
Table.
Suguna.
Rohit, you know how to create the table? Piyush, you know how to create the table?
And create table.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Piyush, last time I given you some of the assignments you guys, right? Like the day one.
Yeah, but okay, like the direct SQL one.
Yeah, SQL. Yeah, SQL queries.
Yeah, you write create table name, and
Yeah.
then brackets you specify whatever type and the name of the columns.
There is a software called Toad for Oracle. Okay.
Okay.
This one you can download from the quist.com. So this software is available for Toad for SQL Server, Toad for MySQL, everything is available. But I using for Toad for Oracle here. So I install my install my laptop. Get in a connection here. System, my password, and XE is the database schema. Since you already connected, let me close this one. Connected. Like consider this is ID to develop. This is ID to develop the application, develop the queries. Okay. Now we'll write manually from Java code. We'll try to insert the data as database. Code for SQL. Previously we used to write in the run SQL command line. In this you are going to write right. Now I'm going to use code for SQL. My password system is username is system. In real time scenario we are going to use the debug tools. We are not going to use command prompts. Now can someone help me create a table here? Create table.
Table name.
EMP.
Open the brackets. Then whatever the column name.
EMP ID.
And the column type.
Number.
Are
you sure number you are going to use or Oracle number or integer?
Oracle. I think integer.
You done certification, right?
No.
Who is this?
Pavani.
Yeah. Primary key.
Yeah.
How to write a primary key? Can you spell it?
Yeah, we can write primary key.
Okay. What is primary key?
Primary key is a unique key.
Identified column.
Yeah.
In the table.
Varchar of 20.
V capital, right?
No.
Smaller?
No, small. Yeah.
A capital?
No.
Okay.
Small.
Which is capital then?
I think it is case sensitive.
It is not case sensitive. You can write everything.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Now, EMP name I done and EMP F name. This is the table I want to execute. Shall I go ahead and run the table and see the output? Right?
Yes.
Yeah, table is created here. Now see, describe EMP. EMP ID, EMP name, EMP F name, address. Right?
Yes.
What is data inside this? Nothing, right?
Yes.
Let me insert some data here.
1.
1.
Name something.
Why
Central.
something?
Chaitanya?
Yes. I'm expecting that. CH. K. Address.
K. India. Bangalore.
I want to insert one more data.
2.
2.
Sam.
Sana. Okay.
Darren. Yeah.
Sam.
M.
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 Who is this?
Address US. Subhana.
Okay. Sam. Your name is Sam, right? Okay. Okay. Who is next?
Subhana.
3.
they're their own, So
Oh, okay. Suguna.
who is Sam then? One more student is there?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Dharani? Okay, right. I don't know her name.
Vijayada.
J-J-W. Right, the spelling is right?
No, wrong.
Wrong, huh?
Jdbc.
Hmm.
Oh.
J-A-Y-A.
So Bagley spelling is also not wrong, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Who is next? Rohit.
For Pavni.
Pavani. P-A. P-A.
Hmm.
P-A.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, let her make a UK now. Okay, I want to see the difference here. Now Rohit. 0
5.
5.
Hmm.
R-O.
Rohit.
R.
R. R.
Yes.
He is from China.
Spelling wrong.
I'm not from English medium. Yeah. C-H-I. Can you just spell it?
C-H-I-N-A.
Okay. Who is next? P-U.
Piyush.
P-A.
You have to give employee ID. 6. Piyush. Some P.
P-U-S
P.
Roy. R.
R. Hmm.
No R.
P.
O.
Hmm.
He is from
Japan.
Yeah, Japan. Why you are making him
Japan.
You want me to go him?
If he wish.
Okay. Okay. After that, I am going to comment the data. We'll see. This is just example. I'll show you real time how you will insert the data. Select star from
Star.
EMP.
EMP.
This is the data we inserted just now, right?
Yes.
Sure, right?
Yes.
Now I am going to insert one more query here. This is in the script now. Okay. I can insert any values from here. Please take this insert script. Yes. Can someone mute? Okay. This is in this insert script, and this is the create script for the table. Okay. Yeah. Now we'll try to create the table from the Java code. We'll try to create the table from the Java code. We'll see how we can create it. So I'm going to change the table name here, called as users user ID number primary key and username varchar and so this is the create table script SQL. Same thing what we inserted manually just now. Same thing I am using here. By using a Java code, by using statement, I am going to create here. I am going to pass here. As I told, execute update method. What is the parameter here?
String.
Yeah, I have a string variable
String.
here. I am going to pass it here. I am going to run the application. We'll see whether our table is created or not. Okay. Now select star. There is here. If you see system user, there is no table called users, right?
Yes.
Right. Or else you can see manually here also. Previously, anybody know this concept or told? Hmm?
No.
Table or view does not exist. Okay. Now let's put the same thing like this. And now go ahead and run the application. Run the application. What is this? Load the driver. Table is created successfully. Okay. Now go ahead and here this run. I got error right before in the example. Then I am going to run again. Table is there. We'll see DES C users. Okay. User ID, username, password, address. User ID, username, password, address. Clear, right? So far?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
I want to create this table. I want to create this. I want to insert some data inside the table. So let me create an insert script here. How come? Okay. Now, can we insert manually?
Yes, you can answer.
Yeah.
Yes.
Can someone quickly help out how to insert the data?
Answer.
We can pass values.
Yeah.
Insert.
1 second. User ID here and user name here.
Username.
Insert into
Password.
Word.
Password.
Ad-
Address.
Now, I want to insert
One.
single quote, double quotes I have to
User
use.
ID.
User ID is 1.
1.
Username is
Using single quotes, you have to write name.
CK.
CK.
CK, okay. Password is
System.
why? Password I cannot use.
You can use
Yeah. I'm located in
Bangalore.
USA. Shifting next week.
Oh,
Okay. I want to run this query by using Java code. I want to insert the script. String insert data 1. Okay, 1 no 1. Yeah. Equal to okay. Now there is no need of create table here. I'm not going to use it. In the place of create table, I'm going to use insert data. Clear, right?
yes.
Data is
Inserted successfully. Let me run the application and see how the data is inserted in the database. Currently there is no data, right, in users table.
Yeah,
Sorry,
there is no anything.
no anything, right? There is
Yes,
nothing.
yes.
yes.
Now, Piyush, sorry, Rohit, are you following, right? Rohit,
Yes. Yes.
one second. Rohit Reddy, are you following, right?
Yes.
Sometimes you have to call full name, then only some people respond. Like some Pawni never respond on time. Java application. Data is inserted successfully, right? Now we'll see. Go back to database and see whether again data is there or not. Wow, data is there. So 1 CK password USA, right?
Yes.
Can someone quickly tell me what we are doing exactly here?
We have inserted data into the table.
We have
What are the
created
steps to
table,
follow?
inserted.
Okay. We actually connected to the, we have loaded the driver, we had a connection to the database, then we actually created a table, then we have inserted data into that, then we have updated the statement. Now we are trying to view the table.
Okay. We already viewed, right?
Yeah.
Dharani, what we done so far?
Yeah, we have created the connection. Then we have to insert the data.
I want always code flow will start from main method. Consider I am an interviewer and you should tell the answer.
First of all, we have to create the data. Using driver, we have to give connection.
Okay. We got the
Next,
connection.
we have to give password.
First we need to load the driver.
We need to load
Then
the
got the
driver.
connection.
Next, we have to give password and the username.
Okay.
Next, we have to give connection to database. Next, we have to create the table.
Okay.
Next, we have to insert the data and we have to update data.
Okay.
Next, we have to read the data. Then completed it. So.
Yeah. So what are the steps we need to follow when we are trying to insert the data from the to the database? Rohit?
First, we have to load the driver.
Yeah, that's fine. I got the answer. Rohit, what are the steps we need to
Yeah.
follow while trying to insert the data in the database?
We have to load the driver. We need to
By using class data for name.
class dot surname. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. We need to provide connection to the database. Yeah, we need to provide a username and password, and then we need to create the table, and we can insert data by using insert data. Yeah.
Statement dot execute update method. What is the return type of the execute update method, Suguna?
Statement.
Pawni?
Executable.
String.
Piyush? What is the return type of the execute update method? Return type.
Int.
Dharani?
Int.
Excellent. Here I am showing, right?
Int, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry.
Statement dot execute update method returns an integer, which indicates, please write down, which indicates the number of rows affected, This is also called as update count. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now I want to insert one more data here. Quickly, someone quickly go ahead and tell me the details here. There, I think it will take only Gmail username passwords. Can you give me the Gmail username passwords?
2
Okay.
T
Okay.
T dot.
Your password?
Password with LCC.
Okay, I'll check it. You are from UK. Now same query I'm going to execute here. Okay, this one I'm going to comment here because there is some way we are going to explain related to replace statement objects. Dharani, you already know the concept. You may be getting bored. Just bear with us.
No, I'm listening.
Yeah. Now I'm going to insert the data again and see the output here. See here. This came right. Now quickly insert one more data here. First.
3
Okay.
Pavni.
Okay.
Password 1 2 3.
Oh, Pavani password also you know, I think. Okay.
Yeah. China. CHINA.
Why?
I am not living in China.
It's okay, Pavni, for the program.
Okay.
No.
That means she can live in USA, but you should not live in USA. That means indirectly that she is telling. So, Pavani. Now I'm on the application here. Correct, Rohit?
Can we insert multiple rows?
Yes, we are going to insert tomorrow's class.
Yes.
See, Pavani came. Who is next?
Next, Rohit.
Okay, we not Piyush.
Okay, Piyush. 4.
I don't want to put 4. Okay.
I think it doesn't accept
Right. Yeah.
primary key.
Run the application.
Yeah.
Wow. I like this answer. I like the exceptions. What is this? Unique constant violated. Java.SQL exception. Unique constant. Can you please write on this line? Quickly, fast. What is primary key and what is foreign key in Java? In Oracle. Sorry.
Primary key is the
No answer. I
one
don't
you
want
can
answer.
give.
I want answer in Notepad. Yeah, tell me. Who is telling?
I'm not telling you.
Yeah. Pavani, tell me.
Primary key is one which will be uniquely identified in the table. There should be no duplicates on that.
Yeah, can you please tell me in normal English? Because everybody will understand. Because even though you have done certification, but still in proper way. Yeah.
It should
Why
be
this
a
exception is
unique
coming?
number.
Yes. Yeah. What is
That
unique?
should be unique that should not be repeated.
What is repeated?
Same number or same name should not be there in the column.
Yeah. Why? Why same number or name?
I mean, now it is number. So
Okay.
because primary key itself is the one which states that you should not have any same names, so that you can uniquely identify that row.
Unique means only one number, sequence numbers, or you should not duplicate it. Okay. If you are trying to duplicate a different number here by 3 value, then it is giving unique constant exception, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So That is the answer for primary key. Please read that one. Now run the application. See the data in the database. Okay, that is fine now. So I want to run the, I want to execute, I want to see one more output here. So I have a lot of data in my database, so I want to retrieve them by using my Java code, right? Clear?
Yes.
So I'm going to comment this code since this is not required now. I'm going to use one more data. There is a method called statement dot execute query. Statement dot execute query. That means select query. String select query equal to select, how you write here, right? Select star from users. Okay. So I want to execute this line here. So I'm getting how many records? 4 records, right? Row 1 of
Yes.
4 total rows. So
Yes. 4.
yeah. There I go. Now we'll see, we're executing the select query. We're not executing insert, we're not executing create data because it's not no more used here. Okay. Select query. Now run the application. What will happen? The execute method, the execute query method, what is written type of the execute query method here?
Result set.
Result set.
What is the result set here?
Table with total column.
Result set
The table of
That's
data.
java.sql.result set is an interface.
Okay.
So I'm going to create instance variable. Someone mute. The execute query method returns result set object, whereas execute update method returns number of rows. Result set is responsible for fetching the data from the database servers, next point. When the execute query method is called, the Jdbc driver sends the select statement to the server. The Jdbc, when execute query method is called, the Jdbc driver sends the select statement to the server, and the Jdbc driver creates or open a result set object. Then the result set object.
JDBC driver. Chaitanya, can you repeat? JDBC driver.
Still you are there only. When execute query method is called, the Jdbc driver sends the select statement to the server, and the Jdbc driver opens or creates a result set object. The result set object is responsible for fetching the data from the database server. The result set object is responsible for fetching the data from the database server. Result set dot next method. What is the written type of next method here?
Result set.
Next, Boolean.
Yeah. The result set dot next method sorry. When the result set is opened, next point. When the result set is opened, it will point to the before first row. When our application calls result set dot next method, we can make the result set point to sorry, can you repeat what we wrote so far? Please, someone.
We can make result set.
When the result set opened, it will point to the
No,
before first row.
before that.
Result set dot next method.
No, the result set object is responsible for fetching the data from the database server, right?
Yeah.
When the result set is open, it will point to the before first row. When our application calls result set dot next method, it will point to first row. Like this, we can make result set should point different rows by repeatedly calling result set dot next method. When the result set is point to the last row, rs dot next method returns false. The result set will point to after the last row. Now here, so what is basically user ID here? Number, right? There are some methods are there in the result set here. If you see here, get int. So in the get int method, I want to get the my user ID value here. Okay. Now again, result set dot get string. Why string here? Because my username is varchar. So I'm going to use it like this. I want to get the data from the result set. I want to get the data from the database by using result set. Result set dot get string again because it is a password. Password is a varchar. Right? Now again.
Yes.
Result set dot
Get string.
get string. Okay? Address. I want to print the values now. Now run the application. Now we'll see we're fetching the data or not. 1. CK password USA. 2. Suguna password UK. 3. Pavani 123 India. She's not Suguna don't like Pavani should stay in USA. And 4. Piyush 1234 India. Data got successful, right?
Yes.
Okay. Write a question. What are the various result set? What is the result set which opens by default? Which opens by default. By default, read-only unidirectional result set will be opened. By default, read-only unidirectional result set is open. The read-only result set can be used. The read-only result set can be used. The read-only result set can be used to get the data from the database, and we cannot modify the bracket. Update, create, update, delete, insert the data in the table by using read-only result set. The unidirectional result set allows to use next method only to move in the forward direction. Only to move in the forward direction. We cannot use previous, last, first absolute methods. Unidirectional result set also called as forward only result set. There is one more called as bidirectional result set. and scrollable. Scrollable tool set. Okay. Yeah. Tomorrow's class we'll see about how to use replace statement, how to use the bidirectional result set scrollable result set, and also we're going to see about callable. I'm going to give an introduction about callable statement. Then we may end the concept tomorrow Jdbc. We will start servlets very fast tomorrow. Maybe Hibernate. Hibernate will start from 4th February. Because I don't want to spend more time on this.